Stop by and take a look at the 2017 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.